Fasten your seatbelts. We are about to experience the symphony of sounds during a plane takeoff. It is an exciting time. The plane speeds up. We lift off the ground. We are on our way. Pilots hear many sounds during takeoff. These sounds tell us everything is working. The sounds also help us stay safe. Every beep, whir, and rumble has a meaning. Let's learn about these important sounds. Are you ready? The loudest sound is the engines. They roar as we speed up. The engines are working hard. We listen to the engines carefully. We want to hear them running smoothly. This is how we know they are strong and healthy. A change in sound could mean a problem. We are trained to hear these changes. We also hear air traffic control. They talk to us through our headsets. They tell us when it is safe to take off. We repeat their instructions. This ensures everyone understands. Clear communication is so important for safety. We also talk to our co-pilot. We work together to get the plane in the air. Every sound in the cockpit is important. They tell us about the plane, they help us talk to the ground, they keep us safe. Next time you fly, listen to the sounds. They are part of a carefully orchestrated process. This process helps get you to your destination